Asphalt is a black liquid substance that's a byproduct of treated crude oil. Asphalt is a fundamental component of water-resistant insulating materials. It's also used for roofing, but is best known for its application in road paving. Asphalt's a byproduct of crude oil, a predominant ingredient mixed with fragmented stones and other minerals. The production process begins in the paving plant's mine, where 15 meters underground, workers operating heavy machinery collect granite boulders from the rock walls. Trucks transport the rocks to the paving plant located near the mine. They unload the load inside the milling machine, which grinds the rocks with its steel teeth, reducing them to 20 centimeters. Monstrous force is required to break these solid rocks. The flywheel, which makes the engine more powerful, weighs more than 6 tons. The first mill deposits the stones on a belt, which transports the rocks to an external deposit. When it's time to produce the asphalt, the rocks travel on a conveyor belt from the depot to an observation building where they are sorted by size. Here the rocks are deposited onto a series of inclined planes equipped with slots no larger than 10 centimeters. Stones, which cannot pass through these slots, are sent to a second mill, which reduces their size to 10 centimeters or less. The stones pass through 3 milling machines, getting crushed progressively finer. Small enough stones to fit through the slots go directly into the third milling machine. After this last grinding phase, the stones must measure 2 centimeters. All stones smaller than 5 millimeters get collected together with the stone dust produced during the crushing process. Stones from 10 to 14 millimeters are collected in another pile. There are even more from 5 to 10. Trucks transport the material, creating several compartments called feed bins. There are generally 4 basic elements present in asphalt: sand, stone dust, stones from 5 to 10 millimeters, and from 10 to 14. The proportion of ingredients varies depending on the use of asphalt. Stones, along with sand and dust, are used as fillers and make up 95% of the mixture. The rest is liquid asphalt. Each container releases a specific quantity of materials onto a conveyor belt. The belts feed into a main collection belt, which discharges the combined ingredients into another that ends up in a dryer. Drying, which lasts about a minute, removes any trace of humidity. This allows the materials to bond with the asphalt. A machine separates the dry ingredients again to precisely evaluate the quantity every ingredient. Finally, the material is put into a concrete mixer. The concrete mixer thoroughly mixes everything. Now it's time to pour the hot asphalt. Refineries produce asphalt using leftover material from processing crude oil. The paving mix contains approximately 5% asphalt. If you want to make some asphalt yourself, take some bitumen and mix it well with some stones. Hot asphalt binds the ingredients in 30 seconds. The concrete mixer empties material into a truck destined for the paving site. There, an asphalt paver spreads the hot asphalt onto the road surface. Subsequently, a steamroller compacts it. The asphalt cools and hardens in about an hour.